321, what? If you're just joining us, today is dedicated to Mahalia Jackson, as is every Sunday on my new radio station, CatScratch.co, Hi-Fi Wi-Fi Radio. Broadcasting live from where? Cloud 9. That's right, we're on the cloud, Cloud 9. Who was it told me to do that? So I did. This isn't Mahalia, actually. This is, I'm not sure. But let's go get some Mahalia going. I'm not sure. It's so good. Everything she does is good. So. Oh, yeah. I know one we'll find it. If we can find it. And my soul has got my soul. Oh, Jericho. Look out, Jericho. Here comes Mahalia. She's going to tear those walls down. Tear them down. Come on. It's really good, isn't it? But it's 6:33. I've been up since 4. I'm going to sleep. It's so freaking cold. I got some theories I want to talk about whenever someone comes and listens to me. Esoteric, weird theories, I guess.
She fit the battle of Jericho. Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
She fit the battle of Jericho. And the walls came tumbling down. Hallelujah. She fit the battle of Jericho. Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
She fit the battle of Jericho. And the walls came tumbling down. Up to the wall of Jericho. One God in his hand. Over all your heart cried Joshua. The battle is in my hand. Hallelujah. Now she did the battle.
Jericho.
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 Now she did the battle. Jericho. And the walls came tumbling down. Up to the wall of Jericho. One God in his hand. Cover all your whole pride, Joshua. The battle is in my hand. Hallelujah. She fit the battle of
Jericho.
Lord. Jericho.
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 She fit the battle of
Jericho.
and the walls came
Tumbling down.
You may talk about the men of Gideon. Talk about the men of Saul. Not like the good old Joshua. A battle of Jericho. That moment, he fit the battle of Jericho. Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
Jericho.
She fit the battle of Jericho. And the walls came tumbling down. Hallelujah. The walls came tumbling down. Praise the Lord. The walls came tumbling down. So glad the walls came tumbling down. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Came
Tumbling down. Thank you, Miss Mahalia Jackson. Amen, hallelujah. Well, you can hear Mahalia every Sunday morning at CatScratch.co, Hi-Fi Wi-Fi Radio. That's right. www.catscratch.co, Hi-Fi Wi-Fi, no, just .co. Just .co. C-O. With a K, Cat Scratch, with a K, at Scratch. What is this one? Oh, Silent Night. Hey, why not? It's not the season. Oh, well. Just did my nails. Miss you, Mom. Shout Tender in mind. Tender in mind. Christ, the Savior, is what? Yeah, that's right. He's born. That's right. He's here right now. Wherever two people are, there he is. Boom. What's that mean? I'm thinking I know. I'm thinking I'm getting it. I'm thinking I am. I'm thinking I'm starting to get it. Get it? Thank you, Miss Mahalia. Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I love that. Miss Mahalia Jackson appearing live. Well, she's not live. Oh, might as well be. On CatScratch.co, Hi-Fi Wi-Fi Radio, CatScratch.co with a K.co every Sunday morning.
We're Rhett and Link, and we wanted to show you how we created our amazing new website.
Rhett and Link, you are the worst. You didn't create nothing.
With Wix. Now, we know that having a great website is crucial.
Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Uh-oh. Oh, that'll do it. That'll do it. Sure. That'll do it anytime. Any day. Yeah.
I like this one. It's all drag and drop. You can change
it's all drag and a drop.
Text.
Drag.
The font a little twist.
A drop. Okay, I'm going to use that. Drag and drop.
Make it
drag and drop. That watch.
Like
I'll hate that too. And it's cool. I use plug and play. Hate that. Drag and drop. They hate that. Well, they hate me, of course. When they don't hate anything I do. I love the haters. I just so love it. I get so uptight. It's so uptight. Oh my god. You must hate yourself a lot more than I do. You must hate yourself more than I hate me. That's too bad. Give me a hug. Come here. Give me. I don't hate you. You hate me, but because you hate yourself, or something like that. That's the theory. That's the theory. That's the working theory. You hate me because you hate yourself. Right, Uncle Tom? Is that true, Uncle Tom? Uncle Tom! Do you hate yourself? Do you hate yourself, Uncle Tom? You don't. I don't hate you, but I don't really like you much at all. In fact, I think you're... I'm not going to say it because I'm a good... Well, I can't say I'm a Christian really, but... I'm just as good as they are. Not better. But I'm not saying I'm better, but I'm just saying I don't like labels. I hate labels. That's all. That's all I'm saying. I hate labels. Why? Because there's no box for me. There's no box for me. There's never been any boxes for me. And that's okay, because that just says, hey, that's it. I don't know if you guys ever heard, if I ever said this on video or not, but if I haven't, listen up. Listen up. What was I going to say? Oh. They say think outside the box, right? Think outside the box. Think outside the box, kids. Come on, team. Let's think outside the box. Guess what? What? There is no box. Yeah, that's how they get you. You say, I've never seen a box either. Actually, yeah, you're right. There is no effing box. Think about that. Then you don't have to think outside the box. Because there is none to think outside of. But there is a box. And you're all conformity, suit, tie, conformity, dress, little marching soldiers. Here we go. To make work, to pay money to flush our toilets, and keep lights and heat on, and live. It's kind of weird, but that's what we do. We trade our labor for the ability to flush a toilet in peace. Humans, the only animal that defecates in its own nest. It's true. Unless you're an animal in a cage. Like Willis, the psychic. But he's not in the cage, he's out somewhere. Willis, where are you? We're on YouTube again. Or no, we're not. We're on Facebook, damn it. You want to go on YouTube too? No, too much. Too much at once. Too much fame at once. Can't handle too much fame at once. I don't know where he is. I heard him scurrying around here. Come on, Mahalia, what's the matter? What'd I do? I'm sorry, Mahalia. I'm sorry. Come back. Come back. It's gonna be one of those days. I can already tell. I can already tell. Oh, Lordy, 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 Lordy. Precious Lord, you want to hear Precious Lord? Oh, here's a good one. Oh, they're all so good. Oh, they're all so good. Oh, they're all so good. We're going to listen to about 3 or 4 of them, then I'm going to jump off of here. I just want to tune you guys into some Mahalia Jackson. I just want to share some Mahalia Jackson, that's all. That's all I'm trying to do. I want you to turn on to some Mahalia. You don't have to look at me. That's turning you off right now. That girl's the deal. She's the real deal. She's my diva. Diva numero uno. One of them. I have a lot of numero uno divas, don't I? Me too, yeah.
One of the great arts of the world.
One of the great arts of the world.
Great contribution, not only in America, but the world.
Not only in America, but the world.
And I want to sing this song.
And I want to sing this song.
Because we have to be from my hometown.
Oh, from your hometown? Really? Where's your... I'm going to find out where's her hometown. I want to know.
Man, everybody loves. If you don't love him, I don't think you really know how to love.
Who is it? I don't know.
I want to dedicate this song to him.
Okay. Just a closer walk.
Louis Armstrong.
Oh, Louis Armstrong! Of course! Louis! Louis! Number 1 there, too. This is how we do it to it here at 247hotspots.com in the morning. Just a closer walk.
A close walk with me. Granny Jesus, if you be daily walking, those really love. Let it be love, let it be. Every day I say, just closer, walk with me, love.
This might seem weird to a lot of you, but you know, it's because men just don't take care of their skin, that's all. We don't take care of our skin, man. I'm here to change that for you, though. Yeah, I'm here to change that for you. I'm here to help you. Let it be. Let it be. That's right. That's right. Jesus. All right.
From her wrong.